Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get the Oasis Egg and grow a garden, Roblox. In Roblox Grow a Garden, the Oasis Egg is a mythical tier, limited time item introduced during the Mega Harvest, part of the second summer update on June 28th, 2025. It takes 4 hours and 10 minutes to hatch, or just 30 seconds if you opt for the premium version. You can get it from the summer shop during the summer or Mega Harvest event for 10 summer coins, or instantly for 149 Robux with a premium option. Inside, you'll find 5 possible pets from the common meerkat to the ultra rare Veen tier Fennec fox, with a 0.5% drop rate. To earn summer coins, submit summer theme crops during the event. About 10 coins after several rounds is enough to score your very own Oasis Egg. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.